Hello! Hi, Ading! Manot tawong mon. Oh, may message ako sa'yo. Pero basahin ko na lang ha. Kasi hindi ko hindi ko lahat ma-memorize. Ha? Makinig na ka na lang for this message. Ayan. Happy birthday. It's been a long years that we were those who have lost hope for a better tomorrow, or even said the less fortunate children during those times. But from there, kahit naghirap man tayo, the Lord is so kind, and I really put in mind na kung anong pala ang gusto marating sa buhay. I believe in the saying, do your best and God will do the rest. And I also believe that light is brighter when darkness falls around. Ganon pala yun. That you may be able to appreciate the significance of darkness which carried out our struggles, trials, and challenges in our lives. I want this to imbibe it in your heart and mind and to have to treasure it. Nung bata pa tayo, di ko man na-enjoy ng buhay ng isang bata. I was then your responsible ate. From your manang Lina down. At ang dami kong ginagampanan sa pamilya natin. Pero, tapos na yun. What's important is that nag-succeed naman tayo sa ating mga pangarap na pinaghirapan natin. Especially you, Ading. Wish ko na be that good husband, a good father, a good brother, a good son, and please love your profession, being that big image. Alamin at gawin mo ang nararapat na di ka naliligaw. Shower yourself with joy and contentment sometimes, but not go beyond. In moderation lang, para di ma-high blood. Being your manang, magpakabait ka dahil darating ang panahon na magkakamanugang at magkakaapo ka rin, sooner or later. Ading, happy birthday, good luck, good health, at may God bless you. Happy warm celebration. Hey, bye-bye.